Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. How we doing? All right. Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning, fellas. All right. What are we doing here? Hang on. Getting a little distracted. All right. We are live. Good morning, everybody. What is going on here? All right. I think we're ready. Hey, Fred Yeager. Good morning. Let's see what this market has for us today. What a crazy overnight session. Oh man, I wish we had overnight sessions like that a little more often. I had a good time. Well, kind of. This little move right here, I did take an L on I lost one Lucid account. One of my Lucid accounts, the one that kept doing the seesaw, I did end up losing that account last night, so unfortunate, but overall had a really good overnight session. Very happy. But man, we had some wild moves yesterday. Look at this. Like I wasn't here for it. But man, so crazy. We had such a crazy move. FOMC, that was wild. Like we literally went from the 520s, 510, 520s all the way down to the 250s. And then from the 250s, we went all the way back up to the 540s. And now in the overnight session, we just kept going higher and higher and higher. And then we finally had a little bit of an overextended pullback. This is where I lost my one Lucid account, unfortunately. I was starting to get a little bit too aggressive. But then, I mean, it's just crazy. I'm really curious what we do here at the open. Really curious if we see this thing rip. Is it gonna rip? I kind of expect this just to rip right back up, but I don't know. I do not know. But overall, I'm happy. Okay, one issue. Funding ticks. I'm a little bit upset, to be honest. There was issues with funding ticks. So remember yesterday's accounts? We had like a couple hundred. I think we had 500 in drawdown left. Okay, so I went long, and I don't know still, but I definitely, these two accounts, I got $900 or no, sorry, let me rephrase. So I went long, and somehow I still stopped out. I don't know. I don't know. It could have just been the spread difference because I went long right when the news came out. I don't know. I did it off my phone. I did it with TeamViewer, and I had to use my phone to do it. So maybe it could have been that issue too. But anyway, I reset the accounts, okay? Traded them in the overnight, but then in the overnight session, I had trade copier issues. I still don't understand fully. I don't know. Supposedly it was my issue. I'm just going to accept that, I guess. But all I can tell you, I had two of these accounts. See these two accounts? We have one account at $900 in profit and another account at $900 in profit. I was copy trading them, yet somehow my target got filled on these two accounts. But the remaining 4 accounts did not get my target filled, and I don't see how not, with where the price went. And then it hit the day loss limit again. I ended up blowing those 4 accounts. It's been a wild overnight with those funding ticks accounts, because those 4 accounts, then I had to reset those 4 accounts. And then I blew the 4 accounts again, and now I reset them again. We're on our 4th reset, actually third or 4th reset on these four funding ticks accounts. I'm getting a little upset with those, but whatever. It doesn't make any sense why 2 of those accounts were filled and the other 4 were not. That still doesn't make sense. But anyway, whatever. Here we are. It is what it is. It kind of frustrated me a little bit. All right, market trying to go higher. Let's pay attention to the market. But we were going to be trading these 4 funding ticks accounts, and hopefully we can get $800-900 in profit on those today. If we do, we're done, locked out. I already locked out on my Take Profit Trader accounts. I'm already locked out on the Apex accounts. So, oh man, the overnight session was crazy. I mean, the market just kept going higher. It was crazy. I was like, okay, can this really keep going higher? And a couple times I almost outsmarted my own self and went short, and then I decided, nope, I'm not doing it. I did get hurt going long on that one Lucid account. I got smashed on that one Lucid account, but other than that, man, I just waited and bought the dips. All right, we are trying to pump back up here. Back up through the 7. Let's see, we get up through the 710s here. Oh, new all-time highs made in the overnight session, obviously. All the way, the high of the session, all the way up there at the 762s. I mean, it's crazy. The market just goes higher. All right. Hey, good morning, Fred Yeager, Timbo, Frank Mortimer, Dean Bishop, Jake Dell, good morning. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Good to see you. Bruce Lee, Jim O, Krista R, good to see you. Niles, good morning. D Tucker, Alua Tosin, Terry W, good morning. Micro Player, Matty Matt, good morning. Alua and Fred Yeager, Darren Koss, Steven, good morning. Sharuz, good morning. Trader, Runny Money. Citizen Zero, good morning. The 5-minute chart, good morning. Tate, good morning. FOMC is a bad idea. RIP Apex Group 1, you may be gone, but you're not forgotten. Hey, Perfect Play, good morning. Kenneth A, good morning. Have you had any issues with funding ticks? Oh, are you asking Niles? Yeah, I mean, I was not at my desk when that happened, so it's hard for me to really defend it, but it just seems so odd. Anyway, but it is what it is. Hey, Traitorous Chick. Good to see you, Traitorous Chick. Good to see you. J Trades TV, Will Grimmer. Imagine making 20K daily for the rest of your life. Hang on, where's my calculator? 20,000 every day times 250 working days in a year. That's a cool 5 million only. We all know that's not reality. And unfortunately, the only actual dollar amount that matters here is this 3,200 from Apex. These two from Take Profit Trader and Funding Ticks, they're evals. I don't want to say it doesn't matter, but it doesn't matter. You know, let's keep it on it. Let's keep it real. The 3,200 is what matters. But I don't want to jinx this, and I'm probably an idiot for saying this. I actually, you know what? I am an idiot for saying this. You know what? I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I'm just not going to do it. Not going to do it. You guys are just forever now going to wonder what I was going to say. I'm sorry. Sorry for putting you through that. My wife hates when I do that. I'll start a sentence and then I'm like, oh, never mind. Oh, the wife is not a fan of that at all. Now I'm doing it to you guys. Good morning, Classic Man. J.K. Mo, good morning. I got 50K PA account and they are at 52,700. Does that mean my drawdown is stuck at 50K now? Yes. Mo, that is correct. Technically, it's $50,100. Good morning, Tom Brady. How we doing? But we can always dream. Imagine making 20,000 a day. Wouldn't that be the life? Oh. Hey, Mo, no problem. No, you the man. Congrats on getting to payout eligibility. That's awesome. All right. I mean, I expect this market to go higher today, obviously, but right now, I just want to chill out. Also had a decent day. Okay, so I will share a little bit my progress on my Top Step accounts. So remember that one Top Step account? I lost the one Top Step account and I decided to do the old reactivate an express funded account. Usually I would not do it, but I did do it actually yesterday. And I thought I would try to trade FOMC with it, not realizing that it doesn't actually activate until the next day. So, but it actually worked out really well because I activated the one account that I lost, which I was okay doing because I got a payout. Like, here's the payouts. They should be all good to go now. But I only got a payout on the 4. But first day, overnight session, express funded account, $4,800 profit. I wish I was copy trading my other accounts. Unfortunately, I wasn't. I wish I would have. I knew I was going to be more aggressive, so I decided not to. But I literally had no losing trades at all on this account. 10 trades, 10 winners, $400 average per trade. And then obviously I had this account. I had like an $800 day on these accounts. This balance, the balances are basically, they're all the same. So all 5 accounts now with my Top Step Express funded accounts, all 5 are at $4,800. So I'm already locked out on these accounts as well for the day. So basically my goal is to aim for like $1,000 a day. That's going to be my goal. And That's it. I'm just going to treat these like I treat my Lucid accounts, my Tradeify accounts, that type of thing, and just try not to pay attention to the fact that it doesn't have a consistency rule. Maybe that's my key. I just have to not, like, my consistency rules stuff is always what gets me in trouble. All right, market continuing lower down to the 640s. Wow, that would have been a pretty decent short right here, but I'm looking at longs. So if we're looking at longs, the first entry would be right here, for me anyway, around the 620s. So we're going to pay attention at the 620s. You think we see 805 for the top? Okay. All right, 630s now. All right, let's go test that 620. Let me in. Oh no, is it gonna rip without me? All day short to gap fill? Are you serious, Frozen North? Okay, if we do, okay, we actually need to reassess the day. Okay, let's actually have a, I was so bullish in the overnight session, it's not even funny. It was crazy how bullish I was in the overnight session. I literally bought every single little dip. So if we start to sell off today, I definitely need to make some adjustments. I could get myself in trouble. But until proven otherwise, we're looking for longs. We're just looking for a good place to buy. Right now, 620s is kind of what I'm looking for. This does look like we might get a bounce here, but I'm going to wait. Hopefully we sweep the 620s. Hopefully. Remember way back when you used to say 20 accounts and $100 a day or something along the lines? Now it's 30 accounts and 1,000 a day. Well, TK, okay. If I have it, once I build up to like 20, 30 funded accounts, then I will look for 200 to 250 per day. Like that, I'm still fine with that. I still am fine with that. Like, but if you only have a couple account, like, I don't know, I still like the idea of like having one prop firm where you just go a little bit more aggressive. And I'm not saying YOLOing, but I don't know. Maybe one or two accounts, but then the rest, I want to copy trade all the accounts together and look for that $200 to $250 day per day, because it will actually add up, and it will. And right now, I'm just being a little bit more aggressive because I don't have that many accounts, especially my Apex accounts. I'm still upset that I took that big loss 2 days ago on my Apex accounts. That was so stupid. If I locked myself out when I should have, I think we would be at payout right now. But we're not going to look in hindsight. Ooh, I got to pay attention here. Hold on. Hold up. Okay. If we sweep here, we're in. Just don't want to get too aggressive here. Wow, we're not even going to pause. Interesting. All right, we got to be quick on the trigger here. If this rips lower, we're out. This is a scalp, more or less. Okay, now sweep and rip. Let's see if we get the rip now. Not, we gotta close it. Looks like we wanted to test the 600s, maybe. Yikes. I'm doing it again. Why? Okay, now rip it. Come on. Don't let me down. Keep going. Keep going. Go. I probably need to get out here. All right, I'm getting out. There's no need to be greedy here. Yeah, we're not done. This doesn't look like we're done going lower. All right, we just got to wait. We got to wait. Not all funding ticks got... Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, there's 2 funding ticks accounts that I'm not copy trading. This account and this account, we're already at our target for the day. I don't want to make any more money on those. So that's why I'm not trading those. I'm only trading 4. Yeah, I had issues with a copy trader in the overnight, and I ended up blowing 4 accounts, and my target was filled on the 2 accounts. And then I blew the 4 accounts, reset them, blew them again, reset them again. It's been those funding ticks accounts have been through the ringer. I need to update my expenses again. Ugh. Next year, I'm kind of mailing it in already on this year. I don't know. I probably shouldn't, but I probably shouldn't do this, but I'm kind of like, okay, whatever. Right now, my goal is when the new year starts to have 30 plus funded accounts where we're getting ready to take some, like to take payouts and have slow, steady growth. Slow and steady growth. That is my objective. Wow, look at that. We literally, the 600s were, oh. Did anybody buy that 600 level? Yeah, Fred Yeager, I'm definitely happy with where we're at right now. We're at 200,000 in payouts. My expenses are higher than last year. That's the only thing I'm disappointed in right now is my expenses. My expenses are higher than I wish they were, but I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain about 150,000 of profit. That's still a good living. I'm not going to complain about it. I'm not going to complain about it, but I also know I can do better. I know I can do better. But you know what's crazy? I was thinking about this morning. Oh my goodness, look at that go. Oh, chat. Chat, why didn't you tell me to hold? Chat, I should have held. We'd be done for the day. Oh, we'd be done for the day. Ah! You gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable. Ugh! Should have been 151K. I will be requesting a payout tonight with Lucid, by the way. So this account right here, we're at $9,400 in profit, and we are eligible to request a $3,000 payout on Lucid tonight. So we'll be doing that tonight, and that will officially get us over the $200,000 mark, and we will officially have bypassed. We will have passed our payout total of last year tonight. So I'm happy. I'm happy about that. I was looking back and reflecting over the last 2-3 years. This is what is actually difficult for me to grasp. Actually grasp. I can't believe, it doesn't seem like it. I don't know. In the last 2 years, we have now gotten over 400,000 in payouts in the last 2 years. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. I'm not sure what's crazier, that dollar amount, or if it's crazier that it doesn't seem like that much. That's what's wild. I'm not sure what's crazier, because it doesn't even feel that much like it was. It doesn't feel like it was 400,000. Just crazy. And that is not including my live account payout. And we took a $25,000 payout from my live account last month. So it's technically more than that, but I'm not counting my live account payouts. All right, what do we do here, chat? I feel like this thing is going to rip. I think we're going to rip to new highs. I'd love to get a pullback, though. And this is always where I have to be careful, because we can just rip straight back down to the 600s. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, but also can't be too hesitant, or you're gonna miss the move. It could be 2 million with 10x more leverage. Trader running money. All this money is in your new house in Florida. There's a lot of it in there. That is definitely true. That is definitely true. All right, I might actually, you know what? Kind of like a long here if we break above the 90s. I kind of like the long, but we're kind of right at resistance if I do that. So maybe we can get an entry on a pullback. Maybe. This is where we got to be careful. This could just go straight back down to the 600s. Wow, look at that. I don't know. Let's wait. I just don't trust this right now either way. What is the next prop firm we have to add? What is the next prop firm we need to add? That's what I'm trying to debate. I want to add my funded futures, but I'm going to wait till they have a good deal. Right now, Funding Ticks is definitely, they have 35% off. So we've got Funding Ticks. I want to get funded with them. I guess Trade Day. Trade day would be... Trade day would be... Hey, David Knight, you had issues with GQ again? What kind of issues, David? I did not... mine was working fine. I locked myself out anyway on all my accounts. Oh, no, it's under maintenance now. Oh, no, not again. All right, looks like it'll be back up in like 10 minutes, but well, we reset the timer again today. Wait, trade day 5K every payout. You have to email their risk manager. What do you mean, KinFX? By the way, good to see you, KinFX. Good to see you. What do you mean you have to email their risk manager every day? I did not know that was a thing. Trump is about to have a press conference for sure? For real? Abort, abort, everybody, everybody run. Yeah, this is now looking like we might just retest this 600, to be honest. Rejecting off the 690s. I'm just going to wait. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, I want to jump in. Oh, do I do it? Oh, my goodness. What happened? What was that? Did we just go in? I have no idea what that... All right. This might be a terrible idea. Terrible idea. Don't do this. Please don't do this. Come on, break out. This is a bad idea. I'm getting out. I got scared. That was supposed to go immediately and it didn't. I'm out. Somebody had a sell on 679. 679. Hey, DCA and out long 10 points. Let's go. Hey, weird. It almost was like that. It almost acted like a news event, but I don't know. There was no news that I saw. Unless I'm missing something. Yeah, I should have done it. I should have held. Ah, you paper hands, Mr. Paper Hands over here. Ah, I should have. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah, I knew it. I got scared. I got scared on that one. I knew I was chasing, and when you chase, it usually doesn't end well, and I was hoping I could scalp it for like 20, 30 ticks really quickly, and it just didn't happen, so I just got out. All right, we are right at that 700 level now. Let's see if we continue. There she goes, above the 700s now. Okay, if we rip back above the 710s here, we might need to jump in here. Ugh. Man. I'm getting some major FOMO here. I'm getting major FOMO. All right, this is not exactly great trading, but we're jumping in here. I'm looking for this to break back above the 710s. Come on. I'm going to give it a chance. If it doesn't go, we're just going to get out. We can always re-enter. Not going to get married to this. Come on. Are you serious? Oh, it's going to punish me. Gosh, I can't have this big of a stop loss. There's just no shot. I want you to break out above that 710. Come on. Go. Rip it. Do it, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDaddy. Go. Go, 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 go. Do I just need to get out? Rip it. Give me that new high. Come on. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Okay, fine. I give up. I'm going to take that. Can't be greedy when you have FOMO. It's going to rip now. It's going to rip now, and it's fine. You're welcome. If you're long, you're welcome. I just guaranteed you the 740s. I hate trailing on this kind of market, though. The trailing on this market when it's this volatile and moving this quickly, I just don't. I'd rather take my profit and re-enter. John, how we doing, John? Good morning. Tell me, you went long, didn't you? You're welcome, John. Anything you need, just let me know. Anything you need. The degen trading feels better than good trades. Like one thing I will, okay, like we all have our trades where we FOMO in, and like I think that happens. That's just reality. Reality is sometimes we enter when we shouldn't, but the key is for me, don't get married to the position. If you have a bad entry, just be willing to get out. Be willing to get out. You don't need to panic out, but just don't turn a bad entry into a blown account. Let's go, John. Can you go short to make sure it goes up? Actually, Kevin G, I'm not going to do that today. Not today. I need these funding ticks accounts. These funding ticks accounts need to be, I need to get them to $900 in profit, or even 800 is fine. My only problem with these funding ticks accounts, I wish they had bigger accounts, but yeah, it's fine. Let's go, John. What's your target? John, tell me what your target is. And then I'll promise maybe I won't go long. Maybe. Hey, Mikeel, copy trading 20 Apex accounts and another firm. Best platform is Ninja Trader. Mike, Mikeel, I mean, if you're asking my opinion, I mean, that's what I use, so I'm going to say that, but I guess I mean, it just depends, but I would use Ninja Trader with Replicanto as your trade copier. If you're asking for my opinion, and I have used quite a bit of different trade copiers, and I've always come back to Replicanto as this most stable of them all. Ninja Trader with Replicanto, but make sure the computer that you are using has at least 64 gigabytes of RAM. It is very important that the computer that you use to trade, especially if it's 20 accounts or more, make sure it at least has 64 gigs of RAM. I highly recommend that. If you trade with 16 or even 32 gigs of RAM with 30 accounts and more, you could have issues. Basically, what happens is it'll be very laggy. I think 32 you might be okay, but 16 gigs of RAM, that's a definite no-go. Definitely no-go. Look at her go. Look at her go. You guys are welcome. I feel like you guys are welcome. If I don't take my profit there, 100% we're pulling back. And you guys might think I'm kidding, but it's actually true. To the moon, Daddy. Is it not more CPU dependent? Actually, no, Grant Thompson. It's a lot more dependent on your RAM. Now, obviously, you do need a good CPU as well, like something decent. What's your affiliate code for mail order brides? Look at her go. Ay, 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 ay. We missed out, guys. We missed out. Trade copy you don't like because if you have 3 accounts in each 3 mini, yeah, exactly. I would not use Trade if you're planning to do any amount of serious copy trading. I don't recommend it. Hey, thank you, Matty Matt. I mean, hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. Technically, 16,000, actually 17,000 of that is evals, so I'm not sure. That really doesn't count. But it's still a great day. I'm not complaining at all. It's a good day. Actually, with my Lucid accounts, we have 30. We've got 35. We've got about 5,000. Yeah, we have about $8,200 of profit that really matters. Yeah, it still looks awesome. Exactly, Matty Matt. Agreed, agreed. There's just not a better site than all green on all your accounts. There is not, I don't think so. I don't think there's a better, more beautiful picture than all green on all accounts. It's a beautiful thing. Mr. Push-Up, Rumspringer. Yep, that was me at one point. I definitely did that. And we are about to make new highs, and I guess I'm just going to miss out on this move. Womp womp. I could go long right here, but we all know what's going to happen. I don't want to jinx it. I should have held. I felt pretty good about the trade, and just did not have the conviction to hold. We would be officially done for the day. Wow, look at that. There she goes. pros. New all-time highs, fellas. New all-time highs. We're witnessing history every day. It seems like. Have I been using QuantGuard? Trick question. Yes, I've been using QuantGuard whenever I can. Whenever it's not in maintenance. There were a couple days where it was under maintenance and I wasn't able to use it, so. Oh, yes. Sorry, Frozen North. I forgot the clock. Thanks for reminding me. Golf League playoffs this Sunday. Net stroke instead of stable for points and no gimmies. Ooh, I like that. No gimmies. Going to be interesting to see who can actually holding out all year and who wasn't. Yes, indeed. I always play. See, we play a game, Matty Matt. So when we golf with like with my group of friends, we have like a foursome. If we play as a foursome, I usually will play from the back tees. And we kind of handicap us by the tee box. But then there's no gimmies ever. No gimmies. We don't do gimmies. And so we play this game called Star Putter. It's a lot of fun. Michael, can I answer you? Sorry, I definitely can. What was the question? Let me look. See if I can find it. Oh, Ninja Trader. When I open 12 contracts main account, another account opened 12. Oh, yes, Michael, yes. Oh, Michael, very, very important. So if you are using Ninja Trader, the desktop version, and you're using like a copy trading software like Replicanto, you trade only, like for example, I trade one mini. I enter the order for one mini. And that will copy trade one across all the accounts that you're choosing to copy trade. So it's not like Tradeovate. It's not like Tradeovate when you have to put in the quantities to distribute across your accounts. It's different. So don't go in with 12 and yeah, you're going to get in trouble. Does that make sense, Michael? Hopefully that makes sense. Hey, no problem, Michael. What was that? Oh, Matty Matt. So back to the golf, what we play. So we play this game called Star Putter. It's a lot of fun. So Star Putter, you play like as soon as everybody is on the green. Everybody has to be on the actual green. Can't be on the fringe. Has to be on the green. Then whoever's ball is the furthest from the hole becomes the star putter. And that is the only thing that matters for that hole is who the star putter is. What the other people do doesn't matter. But what the star putter does matters. And if the star putter two putts from that position, then it pushes like a skin. Like usually we play like $2 to $4 per hole. So then it's a push. If it's a two putt, it's a push. If they one putt, everybody has to pay him whatever the dollar amount is that you decide. If they three putt, then they have to pay everybody whatever the dollar amount was agreed on. So you basically get really, really punished if you three putt as the star putter, but you get really rewarded if you one putt. If you two putt, it's just a push. It's a lot of fun, Matt. If you never tried that, it keeps the round really interesting. Even if you have someone that is having a bad round, there's still ways they can still do, they can still lose or make money. It still keeps them interested in the round. All right. I do need to see a bigger pullback than this in order to jump in long. Gotta see more than this. I built a computer. I bought the Intel 10850 CPU, 64 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah. And Thinkorswim running at the same time, 30 plus tabs, video 60. Yeah, exactly, Mr. Wall Street. I mean, I have very similar. What is my build, actually? I'm not even sure. Let me look. My system, my rig. So I have the Intel Core i7, the 14700, 64 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, I got no issues. No issues whatsoever with the 5090 graphics card. We can take this beast, we can take to the max. Yeah, gimmies are for quitters. I agree. I'm glad you brought that up about Roulette Blacanto. I'm doing the free trial and having issues. Any idea? I mean, Ace Undercover, what are your issues? Like, what do you experience? Yeah, you don't need the GPU for trading. My GPU is solely for video games. It's so that I can take you guys on a flight. That's the only reason I have that graphics card. You don't need a good graphics card for trading. You need a decent CPU and you need plenty of RAM. But wow, this market really just gonna go now without me. I'm having FOMO. I'm starting to have some FOMO. Man, we really are just gonna go straight up, huh? Ah! It's unfortunate. So I've tried 2 or 3 accounts together and one of them doesn't close, but flips and does a reverse. Okay. So Ace Undercover, there is a glitch. And I mean, if you've been watching me, then you know what I'm talking about. There's what they call like a ghost order or a phantom order where when you close out, it shows on your positions tab like you're still in a trade, but you actually are not. And to double check that, just go and place an order way above or way below the current price. You don't want to actually get filled, but just placing the order will then remove those ghost orders. And because if you go in and close the position, then it will actually put you in a reverse position, if that makes sense. So double check that that isn't what is happening. It's the RAM that makes all the difference. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Nice 2 to 3 wave there I was able to catch. Let's go, David Knight. You're welcome. If you spend more than 15, you are a sucker. My laptop is an Ace or Predator. Yeah, there's, yep. Working on building my discipline back up. I've been super degen since I lost my last set of PAs. Yeah, please just call it a day, Citizen Zero. That's a great time to call it a day. Wow, we are going higher, guys. Unbelievable. I should be up millions. I should be up millions right now, and I'm not. Yeah, Matt, do it. Star Putter is a lot of fun. Lots of fun. What I like about Star Putter is even if you have people that aren't really that like great at golf, that's still a way that it keeps them in the round. Oh, this thing is gonna just rip higher, isn't it? You're killing me, market. Come back down. See this? These are the only days where I actually have regret. I wish I would not have locked myself out of my Top Step accounts. Feel like I would be up some pretty nice money, but who knows? Who knows? I already locked myself out like last night somewhere around here. So who knows? That's the thing. You just never know. I might have gone long here. Who knows? Maybe I would have. Who knows what would have happened? So it's always easy to hindsight it, but yeah, I'm sure. These are exactly, Matt. These are the kind of days that you dream about. And it's why I get suckered in on these prop firms with no consistency rules. And I know it's a trap. It's a trap. But it's, it's so tempting. All right, Ace Undercover, good luck. Let me know how it goes. All right, getting a pullback. See, now we got to be careful. We keep asking for a pullback, but then when we get it, we start to doubt it. We start to question the pullback. That is the NASDAQ in a nutshell. Because you never know with the NASDAQ. NQ can be like invincible and it only goes higher, and then all of a sudden it just dies. So easy that happen. Market, seriously? Are we really just going to go right back up? No way. I don't waste my time on those thoughts anymore. Yeah, it's a good idea not to do the hindsight. That can become very toxic. That's why Taper Out Trader is awesome. I know. And it's also why I keep failing. It's like a double-edged sword. Feel like this is definitely going to pull back more. Just going to wait. What time is it? It's 10:30. One thing we got to be careful of is that 11 o'clock, hour. Got to be careful. Yep, RXHX. That's exactly what happens. I'm always infatuated that, oh, today, will be different. I'm going to get my Take Profit Trader accounts above the buffer on the first day. That is, those thoughts I wish I could remove from my mind. I wish I could just completely remove it. But, you know, it is what it is. Really, market? Come on, don't just go higher. Are you serious? Are you serious? The FOMO is real, folks. Who saw the Chinese videos of the military shooting rockets at something in the sky? Let's oh, help us all. Wow. Unbelievable. I only needed like $450 more. I'd already have that if I just buy the dips here. Oh my, so toxic. Yeah, the Fed lower interest rates. Agreed. I mean, I was expecting this to go higher today, but remember, guys, remember that cool idea when we bought at the 620s? We bought at the 620s. We said we want to watch the 620s, and then we sold at the 630s. That was a fun time. Good times, good times. Yeah, Matty Matt. I know. I also I locked myself out of my take profit trader accounts as well. So and we continue just, that's insane. Hey, let's go, John. So now you're flat. Are you saying I can go long? Oh, man. Oh. I over leveraged in a couple Apex evals near the low and lost them. Ah, no, John. Yeah, I've been thinking about actually adding some Apex now. I'm going to wait. I'm going to force myself to wait to add 5 more Apex until I get a payout on these 5. Just going to force myself to be patient and wait. And this is wild how we're just continuing higher. Good luck, Captain Crunch. Good luck, my friend. Yeah. Yep, DGT is back to 20 accounts. Hey, I wish him well, man. Thank you, RT. I appreciate that. Man, if we can ever feel like if I can get over my issues with Take Profit Trader, if we can crack the code on Take Profit Trader, I really feel like that is my next level to trading. Like if I can figure out mentally how to trade prop firms with no consistency rules, if I can get over that mental hurdle, I feel like my trading is going to go from here to here. Like it's the difference between a $200,000 a year and $400,000 a year. I really do think that. And we can do it with Top Step, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day. I don't know, but I need to figure it out. We're not there yet, obviously. We got to figure it out. It's a matter of time. I'm too stubborn to quit. I'm too stubborn to give up. Look, there's the 800s. 800s incoming. Unbelievable. And I just sit here. I don't know what to do. Just buy 10 evals, pass them all, then day one, just be a degenerate and try to get 5 as close to a payout as possible. You know what I think, Matty Matt? You know what I always think about? I'm not even joking. This is terrible. Okay? This is terrible, and I hate that I even think it. But the last time I lost, like the last 2 times, the way that I have lost my take profit trader accounts is it happened like this. My goal was to just make $200. That was my goal. And I just went in with small size and I ended up DCAing into oblivion and I ended up blowing the accounts. And every time I blow the accounts, I think to myself, I'm like, you know what? I wish I would have just gone in with max cons, 15 contracts, and wait for a really good setup. Go in with 15 contracts and try to get to 4,500 on the first trade. That is literally what crosses my mind the last 3 times I have blown up my take profit trader account. And I know it's toxic. I know it's toxic, but that is legitimately what I think. Because I think I would have a better chance of doing that for real. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I'm actually serious. Like, if you go in with 15, I think you only need, what is going on with my calculator? I literally would need 15 points. And I feel like I could do that. It would be like one of those, I don't know. I'm not even joking when I say I've legitimately thought about doing that as a method to get over this hurdle. Oh, do you think I could do it? 15 cons and a dream. YOLO. Couldn't do it on a news event, but you could do it at the open. You could trade the open and do it. Oh, yeah, David Knight, I hear you. Like, I literally, I would almost rather do that than slowly, like, take 10 days to build the account, all to just lose it before I get to the threshold. But I say that, and if I would blow the account, I would still be upset. And then I would probably think how terrible of an idea it was. All right, we're getting a pullback. Do we just jump in here? I mean, I feel like I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Who's long? Is anybody still long? Type in the chat if you're still long, and I'll base my decision on how many people are still long. If you're long, then I won't go in. I won't trade. If you're long, I won't go long, just for your own sake. Sometimes you don't have to do anything. Oh no, M. Susan is long. Niles is long. RX is short. Peter is long. Jim O is long. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm gonna ask. I might have to ask for forgiveness. Uh-oh, I just talked about it. Now look what happened. It's unfortunate. Unfortunate event. Do I do it? I don't think so. I think we wait. I think we wait. I want to see, maybe we come test the 760s. Possible. It's also a possibility we just rip higher. So go figure. It's not, it can't go up all day long, can it? Hey, good morning, Lynn Davenport. It can't just keep going higher all day long, can it? Isn't that illegal? Fasika says, yes, it can. No, I'm pretty sure there's a law. I'm pretty sure there's a law that it's not legal for the market just to go up all day long with no pullbacks. Pretty sure it's not legal. Somewhere in the laws. All right, we're doing the ultimate sacrifice here. Ultimate sacrifice. If this is the high of day, if this is actually high of day here, I have no words. Gosh, I hate. Why did I enter? Why? I'm having regrets already. Why are you like this, market? Why? Why can't you just be nice? For once in your life? Gotta be kidding me. All right, I mean, do we just call, let's be patient. Maybe we get, might be okay. We might be okay. Maybe. Ribbit! Think we've done a critical mistake, I believe. We've made a critical error. We have made a critical error. Critical error, and there's only one thing we can do. Save us, Ben and Rose. Save us. We're desperate.
Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
It's not working. Why did I enter? Why? Why? I'm debating if I want to add here or do I just... We're still above the 21 EMA. Gosh, I'm going to be so mad. I'm actually going to be mad if this just dumps now. Come on, Ben and Rose, do your thing. Come on. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. I hate it. 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 I hate it.
Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
We have all seen this movie so many times.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
I do think we're going higher though. I really do. I still think we're gonna go higher.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
An acre of diamonds I'd offer to you. A solid gold mansion, an airplane or two.
I'll be right back.
This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold.
Rip it!
Teardrops were
Rip it!
pennies
Come
and
on!
heartaches were
Do not give me the fake out. Do not do the hope and nope here. Please. I can't handle it.
Tears that have fallen won't buy
Don't. I'm begging you, Mark. I'm actually begging. Please don't do the hope and nope. Please. One time, don't do the hope and nope.
have grown cold.
Just one time, don't do it. No!
Heartaches were gold.
I'm gonna have to walk away. I'm gonna have to just like take a breather if this does the hope and nope.
I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold.
Don't do it.
I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold. If
Go!
teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
But teardrops are pennies.
And heartaches are gold. Would you like to buy some flowers, sir? I'm selling some of mine. I got daisies for a nickel, sir, and roses
actually
for a
hate
dime.
how
It
this is-
don't take
No!
a lot of money just to show someone you care. Would you like to buy some flowers, sir? 'Cause I got some to spare.
One day I went out
You have
walking
got to be
down
kidding me.
busy city street. I had lots of things to do and some important folks to meet. When I saw a little flower girl standing in the square, singing out across the market in the early morning air.
I'm not okay with this. I'm just not okay with this. This is not okay.
I got daisies for a nickel, sir.
It's just not okay. I'm not okay with it. No shot. No shot. This just now goes lower. Nuh-uh. No, no, no. Trying to fake me out.
I got some to spare.
Well, I had to stop and listen. I just couldn't walk on by. When I asked her,
All right, I can't handle the music. I'm not in the mood. Get out of my. Get out. Shush. You have got to be actually kidding me. Man, I'm glad I've locked myself out of all my accounts. So I'm about to break something. Every time. Every time. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to get faked out by this stupid market. I'm not allowing it today. Not today. Any other day, fine. Not today. Not today. It's trying to fake me out. I'm not going to fall for it. This market is going to go higher. I am not falling for this BS again. That's right, market. Get back up there and hit my target. You heard it. You heard me the first time. Don't even dare. Don't even dare do another. Don't even dare do another hope and nope. I'm not kidding. Don't do it. You know what? I'll be right back. Come on, market. One time. Rip it. I mean, it's crazy how my entry is like the Great Wall of China. I just... starting to get... I will die on this trade. I will die on this. We are going higher. We are going to hit my target. This is actually insane. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Is it? Are we really gonna do this? Are we really gonna do this? Piece of trash garbage can. There are times trying to keep this family friendly is very much a challenge. Mm. I'm not going to say a word. I'm not going to say a single word until, from now on, I'm not saying one word until we hit my target. Okay, I give up. I can't. This is actually insane. Actually so mad right now. I'm not gonna reset these funding ticks accounts again today. Not doing it. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's not even like we just go straight up, straight higher, and then what? We just completely it just dies. Come on. I ain't buying it. I am not buying it. I'm not buying it. I do believe in my trade idea. That's why that's what I'm saying. I'm not buying that this isn't going to go higher. This is going to go higher. It is. Right now, it's trying to test me. It thinks it can shake me out before it goes higher. And you know what? It might win. It might win. But at the moment, we're holding. We're holding. Hey, designer. Yes, I did buy it. Oh, ah! You're not going to break me today, market. Nope. Are you seriously kidding me right now? I give up. I actually give up. It's insane how often this happens. How can it consistently happen? Every single time. Sick of it. So sick of it. My head hurts. My head actually hurts. I'm not resetting these accounts. I am not doing it. We blow these accounts, they can just rot. I don't care. I might just cancel all of them. Don't even want them. You know what's crazy? You know what's really crazy? We actually choose to do this like on our own. Nobody actually forced us to trade. That's crazy. Somehow we think it's fun. I cannot believe this is just gonna it's actually just gonna drip lower until we get stopped out. It's gonna happen. Might as well embrace it. We might as well embrace it. And don't worry, guys. This is a little green candle, but don't worry. This is just a hope and nope candle. Don't get your hopes up. Don't even get your hopes up. We're going to go up maybe a little bit, and then we'll go right back down and blow the account. So don't get your hopes up. This is just an evil, twisted way of making it more painful. Don't get your hopes up, guys. Don't think this is going to go higher. This is not going higher. This is just the hope and nope. Don't even get excited. Don't get excited. Nothing's going to happen. This is about to rip lower of 40 points. I'm not even excited. I know this is going lower. Don't worry. The hope and nope is in full effect. Full effect. Don't worry. Don't get excited, guys. This is all a facade. Don't get excited. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. Imagine this doesn't fill me now. Imagine this doesn't fill me and goes lower. I'm not joking. I will literally break all 5 of my monitors if that happens. I'm not even joking. All right, that was an awesome trade. Awesome trade, guys. I hope you took that trade from me. That was a great call out. Never a doubt at all. Great trade. One of my better trades of recent memory. Great trade, guys. Let's go. Never a doubt. Oh, too easy. Too easy. Ha! This market thought I was going to stop out. Ha ha ha! Good one, market. You thought you were going to fake me out. Get wrecked. Oh. Man, did we wreck that. That was hilarious. Too easy. Oh, man. I don't care who you are. That was funny. You don't think that was funny? Oh, man. Oh, that was too fun. That was too funny. I'm sorry. Oh, that market thought it had me. The market thought, ah, I got him. I got him. Like, not so fast. Not today, you don't. Not today. Oh, that just made my day. I can now go. I can end stream. And I can walk away. We can go golfing. Nothing will ruin my day because I feel like we fought the market, and for the first time ever, we won. Oh, man. Actually, maybe we could wait. Okay, maybe I should have probably waited. I just realized I should get about $100 more. If we could get $100 more, I feel like we can't trade again today after everything that I just said. After everything I just said, there's just no way I can enter another trade today. I mean, there's just no way. There's just no way. What could go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? Oh man. You know how, you know it would happen. I need $100 more, and you know what would happen. We all know what would happen. Oh man. I'm getting tempted though. Oh, I'm getting tempted. Please, somebody, don't let me do it. Don't let me do it. That was a wild ride. Never a doubt though. We never had a doubt in the trade. We were very, very. Whoa, Bessie. Volatility is starting to pick up here. Just say you're sorry, right? No, I think the market forgives and forgets once the day ends. So as long as I don't take another trade today, I think I'm okay. But we definitely can't take another. I don't think we can take another trade today. We just sucker punch the market right in the mouth, and we cannot tempt it again. Honestly, and I'm okay. I'm okay with, we're $800, 800, 900, 800. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, there's 700 though. That 700 really does bother me. Maybe just one more trade. I mean, one more trade of $100. That cannot be that hard. That can't be that difficult, right? I mean, just one. I feel like, I mean, just one trade. I don't think that's going to be an issue. Just a little pullback here. I'm not going to lie. My heart is racing right now. My heart rate, beats per minute, is off the charts. Why did I do this? Go. 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 You kidding me? Fill me. Come on, please. I'm sorry for talking trash, market. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, dear. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. Woo. Oh, my heart is racing. I'm not joking. I wish I had a heart monitor, because I bet we're at 120. That could have been disastrous. Oh, I would have never lived that down, ever. That is very bad behavior. I'll raise my hand. I'll raise my hand of accountability. That was on me. That was definitely on me. Okay, I promise I am done. I promise I will not take another trade. Woo! Okay, we can breathe now. Everybody's safe. Man, I'm literally almost sweating. I can feel it. Whew. Oh, man, why do I do this to myself? Jeez. You know what I hope? I really, really hope. I'm not even joking when I say this, and I mean this as like 100%. I really, really hope no one tunes into this channel to learn how to trade. I pity that person. I really do. I really pity that person. They come in, they're like, wow, that's how you do it? Whoo. RX, you are so bad. You are so bad. That one. You know why that's so funny? The reason that's actually funny is because I saw it too. You know that one account is only in the 800s. Oh dear, no, I'm not doing it. If I'm live with one firm, yes, Tradeify. I'm in a live account with Tradeify right now, and it's just an absolute murder bot. I mean, a murder fest. It's complete catastrophe. It's terrible. It's terrible. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. They cut me down, like they cut me off at the knees. I only have, they now changed it to where I only have $500 of drawdown per day. My daily loss limit is $500. It's like, whatever. It is what it is. But what am I going to do with $500 of drawdown? Like for real. One account. Just might as well take it out back and shoot that account. Yeah, Coach, trust me, Coach Tank is not happy. He is not a happy camper. And I'm like, whatever. It is what it is. I'm going to full port that account every single day, and either we're going to hit the day loss limit, whatever, something will happen, but I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to mess with a daily loss limit of $500. It is not worth my time. I'm sorry. It's just, I'm not in the mood. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Imagine I enter one more trade and then we have this candle. I would lose it. I would actually lose it. 2 trades per day, 250 per trade. I know I could Citizen Zero. Yes, I could try to make $200 a day on one account, and then 10 years later, I would finally be back to my break even. That's where I'm like, yeah, you know, like whatever. If they're gonna restrain me that bad, like whatever, just go ahead and close the account then. I get it is kind of annoying to me how in the sim funded environment you have the parameters and that is how you make money. That is how you've proven to get payouts. And then they move you into a live account and they put all these restrictions on you, like lower daily loss limit and everything. Why? Like why? Anyway, that might sound like an excuse, and it is. I didn't trade it well either, so don't get it twisted. A large part of the problem was the guy in the mirror. But, you know, it is what it is. It's Tradeify. I mean, I like Tradeify to me is great for the sim funded environment. Couldn't recommend it more. Tradeify in the sim funded environment, great. Live account? Whatever. 80-20 profit splits and all that BS. And the guy in the mirror is the douche and judges too much. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Dave. Oh, man, what a crazy day. Man, I feel like I just ran a marathon. I'm emotionally drained. There's no way. Whew. He's Curdy from today. Check my post. Oh, sorry. Hang on, John. Hang on. Let me find it. I'm always scared, John. I'm always scared when you post something in the chat. Who is this Steven guy, John? There's two parts. Question. Okay, hang on. I'll find it. Who's this loudmouth? All screens never trades, but tells everyone he called out the move. I was just asking the same thing. I have no idea who this guy is. I do not know. Oh, he's been doing it over 42 years. I have no idea who that guy is. Oh, is that the guy that took a... Oh, you're right, John. I thought he looked familiar. That's the guy that had 10,000 screens in front of him? Yeah, I do remember. More screens, more indicators, more money. Yeah, that definitely is... But he doesn't actually show his trades. He just... What? I don't get it. Be a man. You're going to go on live. If you're going to go live and call out trades and then pat yourself on the back for being a genius, then you got to trade. You got to show your trades. You got to show your trades. It's my opinion. My 2 cents. He is legit. I mean, I'm sure he is. I'm sure he has made money at some point. Look at this. The market all the way back up to the 800s. I told you guys. I told you we're going higher. Market almost got me. It almost got me, but we stayed true. But actually, in all reality, that was some very, very bad habits. Very bad habits. But let's not talk about that. Not right now. Maybe later. And through, there we go, new highs. Here's the problem. We don't have any accounts to trade. Nothing. We literally have no accounts left to trade. Like zero. He makes 6 figures a month with mentorship. There you go. Honestly, yeah. I mean, He's got 500 people paying for his live chat room. I mean, I sure hope he shows his trades. There is nothing more cringy to me, and I'm not joking when I say there is nothing more cringy than someone who charges for a service and then just calls out trades and doesn't take them, but expects all his students to take those trades. And then he gloats and goes off when those trades are winners. And then when they're losers, that's magically, hey, you know, it's up to you to have good risk management. Actually cringe. Makes me want to vomit. I don't know if that's what he's doing, by the way. I have no idea. I'm just saying, as a whole, in general, when I see that, it makes me want to vomit. But hey, to each their own, you know? Different strokes for different folks. He may be cringy, but his bills are crisp. Yeah, is he making from his mentorships? Exactly. No, I have no idea. Yeah, the ultimate I told you so person. Oh, what are we gonna do, guys? What are we gonna do? This is why locking myself out is actually so important, because right now, if I didn't lock myself out of my accounts, I would 100%, I would trade something. I'm trying to think, what could we actually trade? Or what prop firm what evals could we buy? Because I do like this price action. I do like it. And I do think we continue higher. I'm trying to think which prop firm could we add. I don't want to do my funded futures. I mean, I like my funded futures, but I want to wait till they have a better discount. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, Gary BB. Whatever. You didn't like it much when you were doing those curls. I don't remember that. I suffer from short-term memory loss. The only thing I remember is we hit our profit. That's all I remember. Do you know if there is any Apex PA promo coming soon? I don't, Frozen North. I would assume that it's probably not going to be. I don't know. I don't know. They just had one. So ask SK. He knows him personally. Okay, I might, DL. I'll text him. Any update on the unban? Oh, man. Golf guy Mike. No, I'm realizing I'm fighting an uphill battle. I don't know. It's frustrating. It's very frustrating. I got to be careful as well, like how much I push as well, because I don't want to push too hard. I'm trying to like get them to see the light. See the light. And it's been a little difficult to get them to see the light, but we're still trying. I do have supposedly, and I keep checking. So that's right now. That's like the only thing I have, or the only update I have. But I mean, I'm frustrated doing it for you. Like I can only imagine how frustrating it is for you guys. Like that's what I just don't understand. Like it really, I have a hard time processing something when it doesn't make sense. And that's one thing does not make sense. But anyway, it is what it is. All right, I am trying to debate what I want to do. I need to either A, just completely walk away. I probably need to, honestly. You know what I'm most nervous about? I am most nervous, like, I am really nervous about right here. These take profit trader accounts. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. We have $1,000 more that we need to get to pass those accounts. And tomorrow's going to be one of those clenching moments. I just know it. It's never easy. It's never easy when you're about to pass an account. It just is never easy. I just know. I know it's not going to be easy. Go to the, definitely not doing that, Charoos. How did your mind process that last trade? What trade, TK? I don't remember. I don't remember that last trade. I suffer from short-term memory loss. You only need $7. RX, you're a bad influence. You're bad. I ain't falling for it. I am not falling for it. Oh, man. One micro. Oh, you are bad. And we continue to pull back now. Interesting. We are at 11:30, so this definitely could just start falling apart. Hang on. Wow, it is dumping now. All right. I just now realized it looks like it looks like Kevin needs help with his math. Oh dear. I think the market should hit the 150. Oh, I see. Actually, I wanted to look at the daily chart. Look at this daily chart. It's looking very bullish. Very bullish indeed. Isn't it crazy to think? Literally back in April of this year, we were down at the 17,500s. We're about to hit 25,000. Unbelievable. Did we hit? Actually, we were at 17,000. That's 8,000 points. 8,000 point move since April. That is wild. Market only goes up. That's all I got to say. Until I trade. Until I enter long. Then it always likes to shake me out. If I was trading, I would enter right here. I think. Ah, there she goes. Sometimes I wish I would. Oh, I need to be okay with walking away. Oh, no, Tate. Tate, look, you're fine. You're fine, Tate. It's all good. All right, I do need to go play teacher now. I need to go help Kevin with his math. And I got nothing left to trade. I'm literally done. I am locked out of all my accounts. Unless I buy something new, I got nothing to do here. Wait, is Alpine in here? Did I miss Alpine in here? Am I blind? I might be blind. Funding ticks, $50 all in. Niles? Yeah, I mean, I've already got my funding ticks. As hard as it was just to get to $900 profit, I can't imagine how much harder it's going to be. Like, we still haven't even passed these accounts, so we're a long way from out of the woods. He was at the barber listening to you. Okay. He's at the bar. Where is his I didn't see. I couldn't find him. Well, hi, Alpine. All right, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it though, and walk away. And we will. What is today? Is today? No, today's Thursday. We will be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow, and I'm very curious what this market does the rest of the day. I hope it starts bleeding lower, just so I don't feel bad for locking out all my accounts. But I hope you guys have a great green day the rest of the day. I wish you nothing but green trades. So take care, everybody. Appreciate you. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care, and God bless.